everyone! Welcome back. Today we're diving into Otter AI, a powerful tool to transcribe your speech into text in real time. Whether you're taking notes, recording meetings, or creating content, Otter can make your life a lot easier. Let's go step by step on how to use it. First, on your browser, go to Otter AI to set up your account. But before we set up our account, let's have an overview on their website. So for the Otter AI, they never miss a detail with AI meeting notes. They also condense a 1-hour meeting into 30 seconds. They skip the tedious task of composing action item emails. And you can also see here the different companies that they're partnered with. They also have sales teams, business, marketing teams, recruiting teams, media, and education. They also have automated workflows to increase productivity for your team. They can also assign action items, post to Slack, and integrate with your workflow. They have here the solutions for businesses, for sales, education, for media, and the apps integration that this application has. So it is categorized by all apps and integration. So you can also download this one also through mobile. They working with iOS app and Android app as well. They also have browser extensions, storage, analytics dialers, video conferencing. Now, as for the pricing, they have different plans and pricing here. So they start with basic, which is free, and this will be the one that we will be utilizing. They also have a pro, which is $8.33 per month. For a greater productivity for teams, you should use the business plan. So for basic plan, let's click get started here. And to create an account, you may choose continue with Google or continue with Microsoft, or you can simply input your email and then click create account. In my case, I'd like to continue with Google and just do your process there until you land into your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, and this is where all your recordings and transcriptions will be stored. Now let's start a live transcription. Click on the record button here and just start speaking. Otter then will transcribe your words into real time. If you're using the mobile app, simply tap the microphone icon and speak naturally. And if you're done recording, just press the square button here to stop. Just wait until the recording has finished uploading. And now you'll see that your recording has been saved to your conversation. Now, need to transcribe a pre-recorded file? No problem. Click import and upload your audio or video file. It supports MP3, MP4, and other formats. So click on Browse Files, and on your computer, choose the file that you want to import or you want to transcribe. Now in my case, I already have a pre-recorded video and I trimmed it into 30 seconds so that the uploading will not take so much time. The speed of uploading depends on your internet connection. So the stronger internet connection you have, the faster uploading will be. If you're on free plan, you can have 3 imports. Once your transcript is ready, you can edit it for accuracy. Just click go to transcript. So you have here the summary and the transcript. Click on any word to correct it, highlight important sections, and even add comments to collaborate with your team. And if you want to edit it, click edit. Click on a word and add your edits on it. You can also highlight a word here, just highlight it and click on the highlight icon to highlight it. To unhighlight the word, just in case you made a mistake, just click on that word and choose unhighlight. So just click OK and the highlight has been removed. Want to save or share your transcript? Click on the 3 dots here and click export. Then you may either choose between text or clipboard. And if you are on Pro, you can choose among Docs, PDF, or SRT. It's also important to look at the transcript review, just in case you want to have options in your transcript. So if you choose show speaker names, this is how it looks like. If you want to show timestamps, you can see it here, the timestamps. And if you want to combine paragraphs of the same speaker, you can also see it there. Combine all paragraphs into one. So I just like to choose show speaker names and show timestamps. Now, if you also want to include the audio, just click on this. So this is only MP3 and it's only applicable to text. if you are on free plan. Then click export. You may also use Otter AI to export this file to ChatGPT, but if you don't want to, just click continue to export. Then you will see that it has been downloaded already. If you also want to share it with others, just click the share button here. Make sure that the setting is set to anyone with a link so that whoever receives the link will have an access to the transcript. And then click copy link, and then you may proceed on sharing this link via social media apps that you have. Head over to your dashboard and you'll see here the calendar too, the action items, and more. As for the channels, you will see here the channel members. If you have been invited to a workspace by someone, or if you have invited someone else on your workspace. Now going back to the dashboard, let's say you make a mistake and you want to delete the transcript. Just click on that transcript. Then click on the three dots here and choose delete. So it will delete the whole conversation and then it will not be shown there anymore. Another feature in Otter AI is the Otter AI chat. This allows teams to interact with AI-generated summaries and ask questions about the meeting notes. This allows teams to interact with AI-generated summaries and ask questions about the meeting notes. So just navigate here in your meeting transcript and then you will see the chat function. It's on the right part to quickly find important details or get instant insights. They have the apps here. They can work with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams to take meeting notes automatically. So plus, with speaker identification and AI-generated summaries, you will never miss key details again. So click on Zoom and then click Edit. And it will ask for your email address and password and you may just input it. Let's go back. Now on your dashboard, you will see this menu button here. So click on the meetings. And then you can record a live meeting, especially with Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. You just have to simply paste here a meeting URL to add out. And then you have the options to record scheduled meetings and you will only record meetings if you are the host. And you get to also choose who to share your notes with. Is it only with you, the internal guests, the calendar invite guests? And that's it. Now you know how to use Otter AI to streamline your workflow. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.